While gaming and marketing play a crucial role in the world of the metaverse, it is essential to highlight that it's definitely not limited by it. I disagree. I think the metaverse is the future of our world, and the metaverse is shaping how we conduct our activities. If you look at the total investment in the metaverse and its corresponding technologies in the first 5 months of this year, around 120 billion US dollars have been invested, more than double the total investment of 2021 in the metaverse. Studies say that by 2030, 5 trillion US dollars will be added to the global economy because of the metaverse. If you take Dubai also, for instance, by 2030, Dubai aims to contribute around 4 billion US dollars into its economy through the metaverse and to create around 40,000 virtual jobs. While gaming and marketing play a crucial role in the world of the metaverse, it is essential to highlight that it's definitely not limited by it. So there are countless sectors that are benefiting from the metaverse. You have retail, you have healthcare, you have education. So take retail, for example. You'll be able to shop, experience, try out retail experiences through the metaverse. Take education. You'll be able to experience the world of education through the metaverse. Get to see, immerse yourself in that world. The metaverse goes beyond nations and transcends borders. The Middle East actually, in fact, is a very young, dynamic and tech-savvy part of the world. If you look at Dubai, for instance, Dubai is always a place where it focuses on capitalizing on advanced technologies and how to implement them. And if you look at the metaverse itself, Dubai has a metaverse strategy. So I think it definitely capitalizes on all parts of the world. I would disagree with that. The world has already been monetizing and capitalizing on the metaverse. So while there are sectors like retail and education and others that have monetized the metaverse, if you look at the other sectors that exist in the metaverse, like virtual real estate, the NFTs, over 40 billion US dollars have been invested in NFTs in the past year. The metaverse will not require a mass scale of purpose-built devices. However, it will be able to offer you a more immersive experience. So using certain headsets and equipment, you'll be able to capitalize on the maximum, let's say, features of the metaverse. However, it's not limited to it. So people with smartphones and other internet platforms will be still able to capitalize on the metaverse.